This is the 63-ton pneumatic press machine design. The supporting uncoiler realizes automatic feeding of metal coils. The pneumatic press provides strong and stable stamping force. Raw materials are uncoiled, fed, and stamped in one go. The whole production process is automatic and efficient. It is equipped with 3 sets of interchangeable molds for diversified production. Precise pneumatic control ensures accurate stamping positioning. This equipment combination is suitable for mass production. The machine runs stably with low failure rate and easy maintenance. The finished products have neat edges and consistent specifications. Steelmama always give you proper solution.